Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2012 Buick Enclave Leather Group All-Wheel Drive, stock number Z5501A. Only 55,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, carbon black metallic in color. The Enclave is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seat 7 with a leather interior. Bucket seats in the middle row. Fixed skylight overhead with sunshade. Rear audio as well as climate controls. Middle row seats fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety, and power lift gate for convenience. Ample storage behind the third row. 60/40 split seat. Folds flat easily, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers, with additional underfloor storage. This leather group has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, Bose sound system, power seat along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, large easy to read gauges, again only 55,000 miles, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel. Large touchscreen for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Navigation to get you where you need to go. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the center console. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Enclave has a 3.6 liter V6, 288 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average 22 on the highway. All that with new brakes and new tires. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ5501A to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.